all present here. I am Ayush Tiwari from standard 8A. I am here with my team member.
ओमराज
Today, pollution is one of the biggest problems facing our world today. It occurs when harmful substances like waste, chemical, and plastic waste enter our environment and makes the air, water, and land unsafe for living beings. In my model, I have shown three major types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. First, air pollution. Here, you can see factories producing smoke. This smoke contains harmful gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. These gases causes breathing problem, global warming, and climate change. Trees help reduce air pollution, which is why the deforestation makes the problem worse. Second, water pollution. In this part of the model, I have shown dirty water is flowing from the factories and homes into the river. This polluted water may kill fish or other aquatic animal and harm and spread disease in human beings. Plastic waste is also a major cause of the water pollution. Third, land pollution. This is caused by dumping garbage, plastic and chemical waste on the land. The land pollution reduces the soil fertility and harms animals. Plastic pollute the land permanently. We can control the pollution by by planting more trees, avoiding private transports, using public transports, reducing waste, recycling waste, and using renewable power plant like solar and wind energy. In conclusion, pollution is a man-made problem and only humans can solve it. If we take a small step together today, we can build brighter and cleaner future tomorrow.
कौन है?
And our other project is carbon purifier. Air pollution is also the biggest pollution in the world. Harmful gases like carbon dioxide, dust particles, and smoke causes disease in animals and humans. Now let me explain the materials used in our project. We have used PVC pipe and a container as the main structure. Cotton is used as a filter to trap carbon particle and dust from the air. A DC motor along with propeller helps in drawing polluted air into the system. The system is powered with a 3.7 volt batteries and two switches are used, one to control motor and the other for the water pump. When the switch is turned on, the propeller pulls the polluted air into the purifier. The air then passes through the cotton filter where dust and carbon particles get trapped. Finally, the cleaner air is released in the environment. This model shows how simple technology can help fight air pollution. If developed on a larger scale, it can be used in schools, homes, and industries. In conclusion, protecting our environment is our responsibility. If we take a small step today, it can lead to bigger change. Thank you.